Good morning students. Mark the question answer lesson 2 page number 32. Net national product at factor cost is also known as national income. Primary sector is agriculture. National income is measured by using three methods. Income method is measured by summing up of all forms of income, which is the largest figure, GNP. Expenditure method is used to estimate national income in construction sector. Territory sector is also called as service sector. National income is a measure of the economic performance of an economy. Per capita income is obtained by dividing the national income by population of a country. B answer. GNP is equal to GDP plus net factor income from abroad. NNP stands for net national product. Dash is deducted from gross value to get the net value. Depreciation. The financial year in India is April 1 to March 31st. When net factor income from abroad is deducted from NNP, the net value is net domestic product. The value of NNP at production point is called NNP at factor cost. The average income of the country is per capita income. The value of national income adjusted for inflation is called dash real national income, which is a flow concept. Monthly income. PQLI is the indicator of economic welfare. The largest proportion of national income comes from private sector. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. 2 mark question. Define national income. Page number 19. Define national income. Answer is page number 19. National income from that paragraph, period of time up to that. Write the formula for calculating GNP. Page number 21. C plus I plus G plus X minus M plus R minus P. GNP at market prices equal to GDP at market prices plus net factor income from abroad. 22 question answer. What is the difference between NNP and NDP? 21. Page number 21. NNP answer is question number 23. NNP is obtained. From that it is expressed as, sorry students, question number 23 answer is page number 21, left side last para. Net national product refers to the from the GNP up to that. Then page number 20, NDP. NDP is the from that production process up to that. Then question number 24. Trace the relationship between GNP and NNP. Page number 20. GNP is the total from that income from abroad up to that. Then NNP, net national product from the GNP from the up to that. Question number 25. What do you mean by the term personal income? Page number 21. Personal income is the total from that fourth line, taxes in a year up to that. Question number 26. Define GDP deflator. Page number 22. 22 right side, GDP deflator. GDP deflator is an index from that GDP deflator is equal to nominal GDP by real GDP equal 100 up to that. Question number 27. Why is self-consumption difficult in measuring national income? Page number 29. Page number 29, left side. Production for self-consumption and changing price. farmers keep a large portion from that income or not? Up to that. 27th question answer. Answer the following questions in one paragraph. 3-mark question. Write a short note on per capita income, page number 22. Per capita income, the average income of a person from that national income by population. Up to that. Question number 29. Differentiate between personal and disposal income. Page number 21, 22. Page number 21. Personal income. Personal income is the from that 4th line. Taxes in a year. Up to that. 22. Left side. Disposal income. Disposal income is also known as from that households for consumption. Up to that. Question number 30. Explain briefly NNP at factor cost. Page number 21. Page number 21. NNP at factor cost. NNP refers to the market. From that paragraph only. Factor cost. Up to that. Question number 31. Give short note on expenditure method. Page number 25. Expenditure method. Page number 25. Right side. The total expenditure incurred by from that paragraph. Net exports symbolically GNP is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. Up to that. 31 question answer. 32 question. What is the solution to the problem of double counting in the estimation of national income? Page number 24. Page number 24. Question number 32 kriya answer. Double counting is to be avoided from that second point. Measuring national income. Up to that. Question number 33. Write briefly about national income and welfare. Page number 31. Page number 31. Question number 33. National income is considered as a from that 3rd line of a country. Then 6th line. A country with a higher per capita from that standard of living. Up to that. Then second para. But the rise in GDP from that 3rd line. Economic welfare. Up to that. The answer. 34. List out the uses of national income. Page number 27. Page number 27. 4th point. To build economic models both in short run and long run from that. 6th point. Provider income is equally distributed. Up to that. Answer the following questions in about a page. 5-mark question answer. Question number 35. Explain the importance of national income. Page number 27. Page number 27. 4th point from that. To build economic models from that. Debt GDP ratio etc. Up to that. 35 question answer. 36. Discuss the various methods of estimating the national income of a country. Page number 22. 30 question answer. 36 question answer. First point and second point, third point expenditure method. Up to that. Then page number 23. Product method. Product method from that. Economy during a year. Up to that. Then in India from that obtained as follows. And second point and third point output. 24. Second point and third point. Then steps involved. First point and second point. Precautions. That paragraph only. Then items not to be included. First point only. Then items to be included. First point only. Then expenditure method. The total from that added together. Up to that. Then precautions. First heading. Second hand goods. Then second point. Purchase of shares and bonds. Third point. Transfer payments. Fourth point, expenditure on intermediate goods. Only side points are there. 37. What are the difficulties involved in the measurement of national income? 28, 29. Page number 28. Question number 37. Transfer payments. Government makes from that national income up to that. Then difficulties in assessing depreciation allowance. The deduction of depreciation from that. An easy task. Unpaid services. A housewife. National income up to that. Income from illegal activities. Income earned through from that first line. National income. Then farmers keep a large portion. That paragraph. Income or not. Capital gains. Capital gains from shares etc. Statistical problem. Great care. Double counting up to that. Skill and efficiency of the statistical staff from that. National income up to that. 38. Discuss the importance of social accounting in economic analysis. Page number 30. Page number 30. Question number 38. First point from that. Fifth point, capital sector. Firms from that. Goods and services. Households consumes. Firms up to that. The government sector. From that. Services from firms. Then rest of the world. It contains income from that. Income and payments up to that. Capital sector from that. Of the money market up to that. Lesson 3. Question number 21. Define full employment. Page number 37, 38. Page number 37. Question number 21. Full employment refers to from that is employed up to that. Then keenness defines from that unemployment up to that. Learner from that wages and prices. Question number 22. What is the main feature of rural unemployment? Page number 38. Page number 38. Question number 22. The major feature of rural unemployment from that unemployment up to that. 23. Give short note on frictional unemployment. Page number 39. Page number 39. Frictional unemployment. Frictional unemployment from that. Frictional unemployment up to that. 4. Give reasons for labor retrenchment at present situation. Page number 39. Question number 24. Modern technology being workers are retrenched up to that. 25. List out. Question number 25. List out the assumptions of Say's law. 31. Question number 25. First point, second point, third point. 26. What is effective demand? Page number 42. 26. Effective demand from that equals national income up to that. 27. What are the components of aggregate supply? Page number 44. Question number 27. First point, second point, third point, net tax payments up to that. Fourth point from all the sentences. 3 more question. Question number 28. Explain the following in short. Seasonal unemployment, frictional unemployment, educated unemployment. Page number 39. Question number 28. Seasonal unemployment. This type of unemployment from that in some seasons. Frictional unemployment. Frictional unemployment arises due to from that demand for labor. Then the persons who lose jobs from that frictional unemployment. Then educated unemployment. Sometimes educated from that third line does not match the jobs. 29. According to classical theory of employment, how wage reduction solve the problem of unemployment? Diagrammatically explained. Page number 45. Question number 29. Diagram is that Then in reality the aggregate supply curve from that paragraph of economic activity. Write short note on the implications of Say's law. Page number 41. Question number 30, first point, fourth point, fifth point. 31. Explain Keynes' theory in the form of flow chart. Page number 46. Question number 30, 31. First point, second point, third point, fourth point and fifth point up to that. 32. What do you mean by aggregate demand? Mention its components. Page number 43. Question number 32. First point, second point, third point, fourth point. 33. Explain about aggregate supply with the help of diagram. Page number 45. Question number 33. This diagram, then this paragraph. Straight line up to that. Question number 34. Write any 5 differences between classism and Keynesianism. Page number 46. First point from that, fifth point. Question number 34 up to that. 5 more question. Question number 35. Describe the types of unemployment. Page number 39. Question number 35. Cyclical unemployment. First line to third line. Seasonal unemployment. First line to fifth line. Some seasons. Frictional unemployment. Frictional unemployment to demand for labor. Then the persons who from that frictional unemployment. Educated unemployment sometimes third line up to that. Technical unemployment. First line to workers are retrenched. Then structural unemployment. First line to fifth line. Type of unemployment. 36. Critically explain Say's law of market. Page number 42. Page number 41. Question number 36. First point, second point, third point, fourth point, fifth point up to that. 37. Narrate the equilibrium between ADF and ASF with diagram. Page number 44, 45. Page number 44. Question number 37. This diagram and this paragraph only. Then aggregate supply curve. This diagram and this paragraph. 38. Explain the difference between classical theory and Keynes theory. Page number 46. Question number 38. First point to eighth point. Balanced budget up to that. Thank you, students. Students, once again I repeat it. Question number 37. You have to write correct answer. Narrate the equilibrium between ADF and ASF with diagram. Already நம்ம குறிச்சது வந்து அது தப்பான ஆன்சர். இதுதான் கரெக்ட். Page number 45. This diagram. Then page number 46. The concept of effective demand from that Keynesian system up to that. Thank you, students.